Hello people and welcome to the Counterfactual Stories YouTube channel. We will continue to talk about US presidents and their habit of playing chess, and today we will talk about James Monroe. Before we start, don't forget to press subscribe button. James Monroe, born in 1758 and died in 1831, was also a known chess player. He bought several chess books from Jefferson, including François-André Philidor's Analysis of the Game of Chess, when Jefferson departed for France. According to James Monroe, The Quest for National Identity by Harry Ammon. Played chess against Thomas Jefferson and Aaron Burr. Also played checkers, poker, whist, and dominoes according to the last founding father, James Monroe, and The National Call to Greatness by Harlow Gilles Unger. One of his sets is in collection of the James Monroe Museum in Virginia. According to the museum, this set, half of which is dyed red, belonged to Monroe while he was governor of Virginia. Monroe family tradition suggests that Monroe's playing set was given to the governor by his mentor and friend Thomas Jefferson. Robert R. Radcliffe, in his 1974 article entitled Historic Chessmen, stated that Monroe's chess set was made of bone and of a French or English origin. The set dates it's between 1719 and 1810, and it's strictly similar to one owned by George Washington family at the Baltimore, which was made for the China export trade. I hope you like this episode. Don't forget to press subscribe button and see you soon. Bye.